as if Yamaha already didn't have enough racers in the 250 class, they have now added another one, and it's a veteran, being Jeremy Martin. This coming from Steve Mathis, or Pulp Max, however you want to say it, saying, quote, heard J-Mart is doing a 3-race deal with Star Yamaha, and then everyone will see how it goes. Martin's third stint with the team, pretty cool story if he does well. Obviously, he turned pro in 2012, stayed with the team through the 2016 season. He won his two 250 Pro motocross titles in 2014 and 2015 with them. Then went to Honda, went back to Yamaha after the 2020 season, and well, we haven't seen much of him since then. Obviously, in 2023, he broke his arm in the Hangtown round of motocross, and in 2024, he suffered 2 concussions and stepped away from racing and the team. And the last time we saw him was Birmingham Supercross in 2024. Now, who knows? I mean, it's a 3-race deal. This could be absolutely horrible. He could do nothing, and I'm assuming that's probably why it's a 3-race deal. He could come out and be super slow, not be competitive at all, and then they can just say, hey, we tried who knows what. Who knows? He comes out and he does super well. He's fighting for a podium in the first 1, 2, 3 races. They might say, hey, you want to stay on for the season and see where this goes? I mean, at worst, whatever, you're racer 12 at this point. It's not like we're really worried about the number of people we have to field and the mechanics we have to bring to this kind of thing. So I don't know. To me, this is kind of a strange one. I mean, he's been out for almost 2 years now, like technically of racing speed. Is he really going to be competitive? Is he really going to be up to race speed and conditioning? Who knows? But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Good idea, bad idea, stupid, should have been somebody else, whatever it is. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.